Hello, English Together, and welcome to the first quiz about listening addresses in English. Now, before we get started, let's go over the instructions. You will listen to the address, choose the correct answer. Now, remember, you have 10 seconds, and then the answer will appear. Question 1. 42 King Street. 42 King Street. And the correct answer is letter B, 42 King Street. Question 2, 110 Oak Avenue. 110 Oak Avenue. And the correct answer is letter A, 110 Oak Avenue. Question 3, 75 River Road. 75 River Road. And the correct answer is letter A, 75 River Road. Question 4, 99 Green Street. 99 Green Street. And the correct answer is letter C, 99 Green Street. Question 5, 300 Pine Circle. 300 Pine Circle. And the correct answer is letter B, 300 Pine Circle. Question 6, 12 Park Avenue. 12 Park Avenue. And the correct answer is letter A, 12 Park Avenue. Question 7, 64 Main Street. 64 Main Street. And the correct answer is letter A, 64 Main Street. Question 8, 45 Spring Lane. 45 Spring Lane. And the correct answer is letter B, 45 Spring Lane. Question 9, 87 Lake Avenue. 87 Lake Avenue. And the correct answer is letter C, 87 Lake Avenue. Question 10, 120 Market Street. 120 Market Street. And the correct answer is letter C, 120 Market Street. Hey, English Together, you're halfway done. Keep going because you're doing great. Question 11, 56 Hill Road. 56 Hill Road. And the correct answer is letter A, 56 Hill Road. Question 12, 203 Cherry Lane. 203 Cherry Lane. And the correct answer is letter B, 203 Cherry Lane. Question 13, 41 Maple Avenue. 41 Maple Avenue. And the correct answer is letter B, 41 Maple Avenue. Question 14, 78 Ocean Circle. 78 Ocean Circle. And the correct answer is letter B, 78 Ocean Circle. Question 15, 92 North Avenue. 92 North Avenue. And the correct answer is letter A, 92 North Avenue. Question 16, 510 Sunset Boulevard. 510 Sunset Boulevard. And the correct answer is letter B, 510 Sunset Boulevard. Question 17, 222 Elm Drive. 222 Elm Drive. And the correct answer is letter A, 222 Elm Drive. Question 18, 76 Forest Avenue. 76 Forest Avenue. And the correct answer is letter B, 76 Forest Avenue. Question 19, 191 Willow Drive. 191 Willow Drive. And the correct answer is letter C, 191 Willow Drive. Question 19, 340 Mountain Road. 340 Mountain Road. And the correct answer is letter A, 340 Mountain Road. You did it, English Go-Getter. You finished the quiz. And how did you do, English Go-Getter? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.